How to get a super high score in Block Blast. To reach a top score in Block Blast, I will walk you through some helpful tips. Let's start by understanding the game's scoring system. Knowing how points to give are given for each move helps you play smarter. Block Blast rewards planning ahead, so instead of reacting to each step, think about a few moves in advance. This way, each step builds on the last, giving you more chances to score high. One key strategy is clearing several lines at once. This approach boosts your score and clears space for more blocks, which is important as the game gets harder. Special blocks are also game changers. Use them wisely to unlock their full power. These blocks can clear bigger sections and start chain reactions, adding up to major points. Timing is important. Wait for the right moment to get the most out of them. Patience is a must in Block Blast. Avoid rushing. Take time to look over the board and wait for the best chances to clear lines or make big combos. A mistake many players make is filling the board too fast. Keep some open space so you can move blocks around and make bigger clears. Clear a line with your last piece each round. Make the combos stack up. If you can get into the 30 seconds and set yourself up to clear out multiple lines in one move, the points really rack up. With these tips, you will be well on your way to getting a higher score in Block Blast. So this is how to get a super high score in Block Blast. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.